Let us consider some numericals related to the heating effect of electric current. So this is the text question which is given in your textbook, and this is the example question. So I am going to solve both the questions. So let us take the first question. 100 joule of heat is produced each second in a 4 ohm resistor. Find the potential across the resistors. Find the potential difference across the resistor. So they are given the 100 joule of heat is produced. So in the problem statement, they are given the heat produced, that is nothing but H is equal to 100 joules. The production of the heat is given H is equal to 100 joules. I produce each second. So the time taken T is given. How much T is equal to 1 second. Each second means 1 second. And the resistance of the conductor is also given. So what is the resistance here? Resistance R is equal to how much? It is given as 4 ohms. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the potential difference. We have to calculate the potential difference across the resistor. Across the resistor. Let this be the V. V is equal to question mark. So what they are given here in the problem statement? They are given a resistor which is connected to a supply plus and minus. It is having a resistance of 4 ohm. It is going to dissipate what? Heat of 100 joules. 100 joules. So the current the time taken for dissipating this much joules current is 1 second. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the value of this volt. Potential difference across this resistor. So to calculate the potential difference across this resistor by Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I into R. V is equal to what? I into R. But we don't know the value of I here. What is the current flowing through this thing? We don't know. So first, for that reason, what we have to calculate first? We have to calculate the current here. So therefore, electric current I is equal to what? It is question mark. Electric current I is equal to question mark. So how we are going to find out the electric current here? We have the formula H equal to I square R into T. Right? That is nothing but Joule's law of heating. Therefore, what is H here? It is given as 100. I we don't know it, so that we are going to calculate I square. What is the value of R, which is equal to 4, and what is the value of T, which is equal to 1, right? So it will become 4I square. Therefore, I square is equal to 100 divided by 4, which is equal to 25. Therefore, I square equal to 25. I equal to square root of 25. Therefore, I is equal to how much? It is equal to 5 amperes. I is equal to how much? 5 amperes. So what we have to find out here? We have to find out the potential difference across the resistor. So by Ohm's law, what is the Ohm's law? V equal to I into R. Therefore, V is equal to what is the value of I, which is calculated as 5. What is the value of R, which is equal to 4. Therefore, V is equal to how much? Which is equal to 20 volts. Which is equal to 20 volts. So the potential difference across the 4 ohm resistor is equal to how much? It is equal to 20 volts. So this is the answer for question number this. Example question. So let us consider the next question, that is nothing but in text question. So there are 3 questions in the text question on the page number 218. First question is one is theoretical question, just write down the answer. It is easy one. Second question I am going to solve, and the third question you can easily solve by using this formula, that is nothing but H equal to I square R into T. So you just have to substitute those values into this formula. You are going to get the answer for H. So let's take those things as the homework. I am going to solve this question. So next question is, compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulomb of charge in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volt. Compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulombs of charge in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volt. So what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate the heat. So what is the given in the problem statement? That given the charge as 96,000 coulombs, time as 1 hour, and the potential difference across these things as 50 volts. So first write down the given data. So charge is given. So charge Q equal to how much? Which is equal to 96,000 coulombs. Then what they are given? The time taken. So time taken, which is T is equal to how much? Which is given as 1 hour. So 1 hour. We already know that for the electric current, it should be in seconds only. So I equal to Q by T, T should be in seconds. So you have to convert this into the seconds. How we are going to convert this into the seconds? By 1 hour 60 minutes, in 1 minute 60 seconds, that is equal to 60 into 60. So let this be the 60 into 60 seconds. Then what we have to calculate? The voltage is given here. So the voltage V is equal to what? How much they are given here? Which is equal to 50 volts. Right. So we have to calculate the H. So for calculation of the heating effect of electric current, we should know the value of the current, that is nothing but H equal to I square into RT. So we have to calculate the current also. Therefore current I is equal to question mark and H, heat, H is equal to question mark. So first we have to calculate the I. So how we are going to calculate the I here? We already know the formula for the I, the first class, that is nothing but I equal to Q by T. So therefore I equal to Q by T, which is equal to what is the value of Q here, which is equal to 96,000 divided by 60 into 60. Since time is 3600, we can write it as 60 into 60. So 6 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled, 6 1s are 6 1s are remains 36. So 6 6 are, it will become 160. So 2 3s are 2 80s are. So the current will be how much? It will be equal to 80 divided by 3 amperes. Current is equal to how much? It is equal to 80 divided by 3 amperes or 33.3 amperes. Right. So next what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the heat produced through a potential difference of 50 volts. So we have the formula that is nothing but H equal to I square RT. We have one formula. We have another formula that is nothing but H equal to V into I into T. So by using this formula, we are going to calculate the heating effect of electric current in this case. So H equal to, what is the value of V here? This is equal to 50 volts. What is the value of I here? Which is 80 by 3. What is the time here? Which is equal to how much? 60 into 60. So 3 1s are 3 20s are, which is equal to how much? 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 1 2 3 4. 5 is 40. 40 to 46 is how much? It will be equal to 240. 242 is how much? It is equal to 480. So it is 480. It is equal to how much? 480 joules. So therefore H equal to, if you take here, it is 4800000 joules. So you can write the H is equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 4.8 into 10 raised to 6 joules. Right? Or you can write H equal to 4.8 megajoules. Megajoules. Since 10 raised to 6 is equal to how much? It is equal to mega. Or 4.8 into 10 raised to 6 joules. This is the answer for this question. So the heat produced here in this case, in this problem is equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to 6 joules. 4.8 into 10 raised to 6 joules. So this is about the numerical number 2 in our next question. In the next class, we are going to discuss further about this topic. Up to that point, thank you, take care, stay well, stay good.